For number 10 on the review, we want to manipulate the left side to look like the right side. I'm just going to draw a line so we can separate the two. So we want to look at, okay, well, cotangent squared. You can look at your identities and see that cotangent squared is really cosecant squared minus 1. That's a Pythagorean identity. Minus, well, what's tangent squared? Tangent squared is secant squared minus 1. And since I have these two identities, I can then distribute. So I have cosecant squared of x minus 1 minus secant squared of x plus 1. Here you can see that minus 1 plus 1 are going to cancel out. I'm left with cosecant squared of x minus secant squared of x. So the only thing I did here is I replaced cotangent with its Pythagorean identity. I replaced tangent with its Pythagorean identity to get cosecant and secant into my problem.